Breaking news. Here is your market brief for November 19, 2025. First news, Hindustan Unilever Limited will be in focus as the demerger of Quality Walls India Limited becomes effective on 1 December 2023 with a share entitlement ratio of 1:1. Second news, Infosys is launching its biggest ever share buyback worth rupees 18,000 crore from 20th to 26th November 2025, repurchasing up to 10 crore shares at rupees 1,800 per share. Third news, GQG Partners has increased its stake in 5 Adani Group companies through block deals worth rupees 5,094 crore, including 53.42 lakh shares of Adani Enterprises at rupees 2,462 each. Fourth news, the NCLT has approved the rupees 8,000 crore merger between Sequent Scientific and Viyash Life Sciences, supported by 99.98% of Sequent's shareholders. Fifth news, Nuvoco Vistas Corporation has acquired Vadraj Energy for rupees 200 crore, boosting efficiency in the cement sector. Sixth news, Bharti Airtel shares surged nearly 2% to a record high of rupees 2,153 after an S&P Global Ratings upgrade to BBB from BBB-. Seventh news, India's GDP growth is projected at 7.3% for Q2 of FY 2026, supported by a strong rural revival and increased government capital expenditure. Eighth news, Adani Energy Solutions received a letter of intent for a 2,500 megawatt HVDC transmission system, strengthening its renewable energy portfolio. Ninth news, BLS International secured a 5-year contract with Slovakia to run visa application centers in over 80 countries, expanding its global footprint. 10th news, India's CPI inflation dropped to a record low of 0.25% year-on-year in October, driven by GST reforms, posing a challenge for the central bank on interest rate moves. 11th news, the Supreme Court has recalled its May 16th verdict, saving infrastructure projects worth rupees 20,000 crore, including a major AIIMS hospital. 12th news, Pace Digitech secured a rupees 929.57 crore contract for a 200 megawatt solar project from MSPGCL. 13th news, Mphasis shares dropped 2.3% to rupees 2,627 after Blackstone announced a 9.5% stake sale at rupees 2,570 per share. 14th news, Paytm shares slipped 2.87% to rupees 1,295.25 after a block deal of 1.32 crore shares worth rupees 1,722 crore. 15th news, Emcure Pharma shares dipped 3% to 1,352 rupees after a block deal of 40.6 lakh shares, raising concerns about a potential stake sale. 16th news, India's economy is set to grow 7.2% in fiscal 2026, thanks to rate cuts and strong government spending. 17th news, Moody's has upgraded Punjab National Bank's credit rating, signaling improved financial stability and boosting investor confidence. 18th news, UBS has kept its buy rating on Max Healthcare, targeting 1,550 rupees, following impressive revenue and EBITDA growth in Q2. 19th news, Precol plans to invest 500 to 600 crore rupees over the next 2 years to expand capacity, with land acquisition expected to wrap up in 45 days. 20th news, GNFC has approved a 450 crore rupee expansion of its ammonium nitrate production capacity, part of a larger 2,800 crore capital expenditure plan. 21st news, an analyst is urging the RBI to abolish the statutory liquidity ratio, currently at 18%, suggesting a phased reduction over 5 years to modernize India's monetary system. 22nd news, the benchmark 10-year government bond yield is expected to drop by 10 basis points, driven by low inflation and potential rate cuts. 23rd news, the Indian rupee weakened by 8 paise to 88.67 against the US dollar, as exports fell 11.8% in October. 24th news. Shares of WPIL surged 8% to 416 rupees after securing a 4.26 billion rupee order from its South African unit. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.